The Ripley FOJST is a compact, one-step fiber jacket or tube slitter for jacketed or loose tube fiber cables. The quality design uses two blades, one on the top and the bottom, in replaceable cassettes. There are 3 channels, 2, 2.5, and 3 mm diameters. There are also 2 locator studs to keep the close tolerance blades repeatable after many cuts. Simply insert the fiber into the proper slitting channel, close firmly, and pull the tool. The blades cleanly cut the jacket and expose the fiber. The FOJST also exposes midsection of fiber cable with ease.